Hi guys, this is the continuation of our tutorial. So as you can see on my screen, we need to have the three files. First, we have the style.html. Second is the style2.html, and the third one, which is the style.css. After having these three files, we can now proceed to our coding. Okay, first we need to add the HTML tag and then the head as its default format, and then next we have the body, and then inside the head we need to put the title. For our title content, we just have to put the style HTML1 for our first page, and then on the body we need to put the h1 as usual as the header 1, and then h2 as our header 2, and then next we have the paragraph. After putting the content, we just have to save and refresh our browser to see the default format. And then now let's proceed to our second page, which is the style 2. Same thing as our page 1, we just have to put the default format, and then in this case, for us to differentiate the page 1 and page 2, we just have to put different content. On the title, we just have to put the style HTML2, and then on the body, we can use, this is the heading 1. So just put that on the content, and then same as the heading 2. So h2 tag, closing tag, and then this is the heading 2. On the paragraph, we just have to put some tongue twister for us to see the difference between the two pages. So in this case, I'm just going to use the breakline tag, which is the BR, on the end of our lines. On the last line, we just have to put the closing tag. Save and refresh the browser. As you can see, our page is still on the default format. Now we are going to proceed to our style CSS, where we can design our pages. So for the h1, we're just going to call the h1 and then put the styles we want on our pages. So first we have the color, which is the blue, font family Verdana, font size, which is the 40px or pixel, and then our text alignment, which is the text align then center. Same format until we get to our paragraph. Next we have the h2 or header 2. Same format, color, font family, font size, and then text align. We are just going to repeat the process until we get to our paragraph. And then after that, we just have to save and continue to the browser and refresh. As you can see, there's no changes because we are going to link our CSS file into our style HTML. So how to do that? This is the tag. So link relations is equals to style sheet. Then the type is equals to text /CSS. And to link completely the CSS is href is equals to our file name CSS, which is the style.css. And then we're just going to save it and then go to the browser, refresh our page, and then the style apply to our page. So here, as you can see, the page 1 only applies the CSS file because we're still going to link the page 2 or put our tag on our page 2 for us to apply the style we want. So same as before, we just have to put the default tag to apply the style sheet, which is the link relationship is equals to style sheet. Then the type is equals to text or CSS. And then link the file using the href tag is equals to file name. And then closing tag, save, and then refresh the browser. And if you wish to change the background on each page, you just have to use the class tag. How to use that? So go to our code. Each page, we need to put the class inside the body tag. On the page 1, we just have to put the class style1, and page 2 class is equals to style2. And then how to call that on our CSS, we just have to put the dot style 1, then put the background tag, background color, and then golden rod. Save and refresh the browser. As you can see, it changes. We did not call yet the tag 2 or the page 2. We just have to put that style 2, and then same as before, background color. And then on this one, I'm going to use the light salmon to differentiate the pages. Then save and refresh the browser. As you can see, it changes. So if you wish to change the color of each tag, we just have to use the CSS or the style sheets. On this paragraph, we're going to use the white smoke on the color, and then it changes within the pages or on all pages. For us to change it differently, we're just going to use the class and call it on our CSS. Okay, that's all for now. Bye. Thank you for watching.